Hey, do you want to learn how to install and run WordPress locally on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. We are going to be using this tool called Local WP, and you can go over here on localwp.com to download it. But I would not recommend downloading it from here. Instead, you can go over here on localwp.com/releases and make sure to install this one. 9.2.5 instead of installing the latest one, which is 9.2.7. I'm not sure why, but 9.2.5 is the version that's currently working. Other versions are not working. The latest versions, they are not working. When I try to run the local WP, it just does not start at all. So if you go with 9.2.5, it's going to run. Once you've done that, you need to open up local WP. On the left hand side, I've got my local sites, and if I want to make a new site, I just need to click on here on the bottom left to add a local site. Then you can select an existing zip or drag your file into the window to import a site, or you can create from blueprint or create a new site. I'm just going to click on create a new site, then click on continue. You have got advanced options here, but I'm just going to type in test now. And then click on continue here. Then you've got custom. So if you want to select the PHP version, the web server, or the database. If you want the MariaDB or MySQL, you can do that. You can select from here, but I would prefer the preferred way. So let's click on continue here. We've got WordPress username. I'm just going to type in test and test for password and username. You've also got advanced options here. If you want to make it multi-site, WordPress multi-site, you can do that. So let's click on an add site here. And there you go. It's now compiling and creating our website. So when you do it for the first time, you need to accept a few pop-ups that appear. One would be for Nginx, and another one would be for some MailPit service. Once you've done that, you would be able to run it. So I'm going to click on this first one because this is currently installing the second version that we have just added. So this testing here, I can click on this site folder to go inside my file directory and then click on this app, public, and there you go. We have got our WordPress directory here. So we can click on this VP content and check out our plugins that are installed and such, themes, etc. Next up, you've got site shell, and under it, we've got overview. If you want to change the site domain, you can click here to change it. We've got SSL. You can click here to add the CRT file to it to make it trusted. On the test now, we've got this trust button over here. We can click on it. Press yes to the pop-up, and there you go. It's now trusted. Here under it, we've got web server. You can install Apache web server if you want, but I prefer going with Nginx. There's PHP version. You can select from here. You need to install the ones that has this download icon next to it. Under it, we've got the database, and there's one-click admin. You can turn it on if you want. There's multi-site. You've opted out of multi-site, so it says no here. You've got Xdebug if you want to enable it for debugging options. All right, once you're done, click here on VP admin. It's going to take you over to the WordPress admin page. And I can click here on the top left to view my website. And there you go. It's completely working fine. If you want to stop the site inside local WP, you've got this stop site button on the top right. You can click on these three dots for more options. So you've got this local site title. Next to it, you've got these three dots. You can click on it. You've got open site, admin dashboard, and a lot more. You can rename it, change domain from here as well, move to a new group, export, clone site, stop, restart. If you want to restart this server, you can do that. There's site folder, site shell, just the same exact thing inside these three dots as well. There's also push and pull here. If you want to push the changes to a live website, you can do that. But you need the flywheel or WP engine in order for it to work. Or if you want to migrate it to another website on a live server, either on Hostinger or another service provider, you do need to use a plugin like VP Migrate in order to do it. And yeah, that's it. That's how to run WordPress locally on your PC or laptop. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more WordPress related guides and fixes. So see you there and bye for now.